The working package 4.1 of the PVOP project seeks to advance artificial intelligence algorithms capable of detecting and diagnosing failures in photovoltaic plants. This development must be focused on helping in the operation of the plants, which involve answering questions related to their status. Can I trust what I see? Information is not always reliable. Sometimes the problems are the data itself. Something is not working well. The different elements of the plant may not be working as they should. Is there going to be a problem? There are abnormal behaviors or tendencies that can lead to a bigger problem. This question must be answered for different types of plants with different technologies. The source data is the SCADA of the plant with information from all its devices and sensors. These data are preprocessed and stored in the cloud so that valid information is available to work with. On this information, we will apply multiple artificial intelligence algorithms in order to extract diagnostics that answer the original questions. These results will be delivered to plant operators through digital tools that facilitate their use. The output diagnosis will be between the following groups. Data quality. They are related to the quality of data and sensor failures. This will tell us whether we have reliable information to work with. Production failures. They make a direct reference to problems in production because of malfunctioning. This could show if the plant is operating correctly. Predictive analysis. They are in the high demand in the industry. They seek to anticipate a major problem. This could indicate if there might be a problem at my plant. For the development of this working package, we have a large amount of data with well-labeled samples of different failures. This data comes from multiple plants throughout the world. Therefore, the basis of the problem is to relate the input information to diagnosis. This is a classification problem for which we will work with different families of machine learning algorithms. I hope you will follow our developments and collaborate with us in this interesting research.